Alright, it is class project time. Don't think of it as boring homework, think of it as exciting ways of testing your skills. Because I promise you, following along with me step by step is good, but I've taught for a long time, and the people that take that little bit of extra time to kind of put it into practice with their own projects are the people that remember it for a lot longer. If you do want to go even further than that, the best way to remember it for a very, very long time is to teach somebody else. So maybe a friend or a family member, or back at work, you might show somebody. But anyway, the class project is this. If you go to your exercise files, there is a Word document in there called class projects. Open that up. And here is the project we're working on now. It's called color range. Basically, we're just taking this example and making an orange version. Okay, so instead of banana, there'll be an orange one. So the requirements are this. The first requirement is use these images. Okay, they are in your exercise files under O2 selections. There is class project 1. In there are the files that you're going to use. So use all 4 of these. Start with this background, or pick another background. I don't mind. I want you to do a selection like we did with the banana exercise with this orange. There are 2 kind of paint splashes in here that I'd like you to mask using the techniques we did in the last video, but I want you to make them orange. So make it orange flavored, use your own fonts. I'd like you to show me an example where the text kind of goes in and out. You see here where the splash goes behind this letter, but in front of that. That's one of the requirements as well. You don't have to use this image, you could. But when you finished it, you can post it as a project on this website here, or at the top here, there's the kind of like social media places you can send them to me. So Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook group. The links are all in here in this class project. I'd love to see what you make. So do the homework, send it to me. Let me know if you'd like some criticism. I'll make sure it's friendly. All right, go off now and make your own orange smoothie poster.